Gathering here, today we will see exactly what is the nutrient you need the most in your diet if you want to lower your creatinine levels. Eating just 5 to 10 grams of this nutrient is proven to lower your bad cholesterol by 10 points or more. This nutrient is also a must for those with diabetes. Consuming more of it lowers blood sugar by 28% according to research. And this is not all. If eaten in a reasonable amount, this nutrient is also capable of lowering your blood pressure by 15%. And we are talking about a nutrient that you can find in many tasty foods. This is not some pill you need to take. And as I was saying, it can greatly help with kidney health. A diet rich in this nutrient is associated to a slower decline in kidney function. Yes, this nutrient directly protects the kidneys. In a large review of studies, patients in stage 3 and 4 of CKD were able to lower their creatinine levels at the point that their kidney function completely stabilized. Some were even able to improve their kidney function, mainly thanks to this nutrient. Yes, this is the healthiest nutrient on earth. There is only one problem with it, unfortunately. 95% of Americans don't eat enough of it, according to a recent study. And if you have CKD, it may be even harder to get enough of this nutrient since many healthy sources are on the list of foods to be avoided. So today, we will see one of the healthiest changes you can make to your diet, which is actually proven to give you the greatest kidney health benefit. To achieve this, you must focus on eating more dietary fiber. Yes, if you want to lower your creatinine levels, add more fiber-rich foods to your renal diet. According to several studies, high dietary fiber intake is associated with decreased inflammation and a slower progression of chronic kidney disease, even in patients in the advanced stages. Sounds great, right? There is just a caveat. Most of the fiber you eat has to be the kind called soluble fiber. So today we will see the best tips, foods, and natural remedies to get more soluble fiber in your diet and start lowering your creatinine levels now. Let's start immediately. Let's see 5 foods that are the best, the healthiest source of soluble fiber for a renal diet. Number 5. Broccoli. You cannot talk about superfoods without mentioning broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. One of the main benefits of broccoli is its content of sulforaphane. This natural compound helps reducing blood sugar, cholesterol levels, oxidative stress, and prevents chronic disease development. Broccoli is also rich in chromium, which is helpful in managing blood glucose levels. Broccoli is a great source of fiber, but it has only one problem. It contains more potassium than other veggies. My advice here is moderation. Half-cup broccoli is not gonna mess up your levels, but avoid eating more than 1 portion per day. The next food is even healthier. Number 4, this is spaghetti squash. A healthy alternative for people who want to avoid both pasta and squashes. This is basically the squash with the lowest potassium. 1 cup or 101 grams contains just 109 milligrams, while other types of squash have even 4 times more potassium. There is also a lot of fiber, and you can cook this squash to make it look and feel like spaghetti. A food to try. What's even better? Let's see. Number 3, pear. Pears are excellent sources of fiber with around 6 grams in just one medium-sized fruit. And that's a lot. Pears are also great sources of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and copper, two key nutrients for kidney health. The nutritional profile of this fruit is what makes it incredibly healthy, especially because 1/3 of the fiber it packs is a type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber that feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut and which is associated with many health benefits. As I was saying, there are two kinds of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber is healthy for you. Insoluble fiber promotes the movement of material through your digestive system and increases stool bulk, so it can be of benefit to those who struggle with constipation or irregular stools. But it's the other type of fiber, soluble fiber, that provides most of the benefits. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like material which helps control blood sugar and reduces cholesterol. It can also be metabolized by the good bacteria in the gut. It acts as a prebiotic. Yes, it's incredibly healthy. Unfortunately, not many foods suitable for a renal diet are rich in this super healthy type of fiber. This is why you should add to your diet the foods I'm showing you today. Another great option is number 2, barley. Not only is barley a low glycemic grain, great for people with diabetes, but is also very high in magnesium, great to lower blood pressure. And it's one of the best whole grains for kidney patients because it has low potassium and phosphorus content compared to almost any other whole grain. Yes, barley is a must for a well-planned renal diet in my opinion, and it also comes in flakes. Barley flakes are a great replacement for oats as they have similar taste but a healthier nutritional profile. What makes barley so healthy for you is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucans. Beta-glucans are soluble fibers that come from the cell walls of bacteria, fungi, yeasts, and some plants. This type of fiber has been linked to a long list of health benefits and studied extensively for its ability to lower cholesterol levels, decrease inflammation, improve blood sugar management, and more. And just like soluble fiber in general, beta-glucans are a must for a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn is crucial for kidney health. Having a healthy gut means that the intestine is going to process uremic toxins and creatinine a lot better, removing the burden from the kidneys and protecting them. Yes, the gut is the only other organ in the body that can get rid of the same toxins the kidneys are supposed to remove. This is incredibly helpful for the kidneys. Almost time for our number 1. Before I'll show you what it is, a very important question. How much fiber do you need every day to improve your kidney health? According to recent research, kidney disease patients will start to see significant improvements in creatinine levels and other important markers when they get at least 25 grams of fiber per day. However, guidelines for the general population say that 38 grams of fiber per day are ideal if we also want the heart protecting and cholesterol lowering benefits. And well, that's a lot of fiber. For example, half cup of broccoli will give you 2 to 3 grams of fiber. One pear has around 6 grams of fiber, and in a whole orange there are around 3 grams of fiber. Those are all great sources of fiber. But clearly, it's pretty hard to get 38 grams of fiber every single day, especially if we need to limit potassium intake. What to do then? How do we get all the fiber we need without overloading on potassium? Don't worry, there are some tips and remedies I want to show you to greatly help you getting all the fiber you need. There is a remedy in particular that alone can help you improve your creatinine levels. This supplement is so powerful when it comes to kidney health. It was actually used in people who wanted to avoid dialysis. One more food to see, even healthier than barley. Number 1, asparagus. This food is a great source of soluble fiber. The soluble fiber in asparagus creates a special gel-like film in your gut to help absorbing sugar and carbs more slowly, which is absolutely a must for people with diabetes, but it can help everyone actually, because sugar is a substance that causes inflammation, can raise blood pressure, and will directly harm your kidneys. Asparagus is also low in potassium, just 16 milligrams per spear, and packs a stimulating blend of nutrients that help boost energy, cleanse the urinary tract, and that neutralizes excess ammonia and other toxins. Now guys, these foods are great, but as we have seen, for some people they are not enough to get the recommended daily intake of fiber. So let's see now some easy tips and remedies to add more fiber to our diets. Include nuts and seeds as fiber-packed toppings. Nuts and seeds are great sources of fiber as well as kidney healthy fats, and they make a great addition to breakfast or lunch bowls. Plus, they are crunchy. And also eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Focus on the kidney-friendly foods I show you in my video. And also, include a fruit or vegetable at each meal. Adding a piece of fruit or a vegetable side to each meal will quickly boost your daily fiber intake. Now, very important, never discard the peel if possible. Fact, the skin or peel of fruits and vegetables are generally higher in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber than the flesh. Yes, you're throwing away the healthiest part of the fruit when you peel it. Some fruits that can be eaten without removing their peels are peaches, pears, plums, grapes, apples, and even lemons have an edible peel. But how can you eat the peel of a lemon? Try my kidney-friendly smoothie. This very healthy recipe is not just 100% kidney-friendly, it's also full of vitamins and contains a very high amount of fiber. Okay guys, and if even these tips are not enough, you can try some remedies. One home remedy that's proven to help is psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a form of fiber made from the husk of the plantago ovata plant's seeds. This supplement is pure soluble fiber. It mixes with water to form a gel-like substance that you can drink before your main meals. This helps slow down the delivery of digested food from the stomach to the intestines, which is great to lower cholesterol levels and prevent blood sugar spikes. Psyllium is very safe, but it could delay the absorption of certain medications. Therefore, it's best to avoid taking it with prescription medicines. So talk to your doctor and find a way to take it safely. There is only one remedy that's even better than psyllium husk for kidney health. This is a remedy that I would recommend, not just to patients in stage 3 or 4, but also to those in stage 5 of CKD. This is because this remedy will protect your kidneys and decrease uremic symptoms by acting as an intestinal form of dialysis. And it really works! It was used with success on several patients that wanted to avoid dialysis. I'm talking about acacia fiber. The reason why acacia fiber is interesting to us is its ability to actually absorb uremic toxins in the intestines. Uremic toxins are the main cause for CKD symptoms. Acacia fiber was actually used in several stage 5 patients who wanted to avoid dialysis with an amazing result. All of the test subjects were able to avoid dialysis thanks to this natural remedy for up to 8 years. Guys, if you want to know everything about this powerful remedy, this video up here is for you, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching.